Yeah, guys, this is my Larry plush. I'm gonna open it. I just got it today. You gotta see the nose. That's it. You look at Larry. He's the I can't tell yet because he's not out of his bag. But I'll later get him out. Why is this thing so packaged? The package so Okay, finally time to open. And I can feel Larry. Oh, crap. That hurt, my guy. Let them. Now, finally, I got my second Koopaling plush. My second Koopaling plush. Larry, he still has his tag and everything, but he's still really cool. And also, my other Koopaling plush is Lemmy. My first ever plush of anybody in Bowser's family. So, I mean, like Junior, Bowser, yeah. And now, these guys are just a family. Sorry if it was sideways for a bit, but it's Larry's probably my new favorite, then Junior, then probably Bowser because he looks cool. And Lemmy's just so small, but still cool. I feel like the Bowser's whole family is just really cool. And get ready for a new video coming out, I think Friday or Thursday or Friday. It's gonna be, I'm not gonna spoil it, but it's gonna be called Larry and Junior's Adventures. It's gonna be the start of a series that